Hello everybody, my name is Mitchy and welcome back to Ratchet & Clank A Crack in Time. This one may be a little bit long because we're going to do the entire rest of the planet Lumos and all of Krell Canyon, so we need to be careful of these Tetramites. Oh, the music is horrifying too.
Father every minute. Come on, we're almost through. I recognize all of this. There's a rock ledge down there we used to hoverboard off of, straight into nothingness. I was scared the first time, but your father, he didn't blink. Feels like yesterday.
General, can we talk about what happened? With my father, the Lombaxes.
Now is not the time for distractions. Not when we're this close.
Oh god, they really fucking want me. Oh god. Fall. Oh, grab the ledge.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going, and don't look down.
Oh, God. Oh.
Easy, Ratchet. Easy. You're almost there.
Ah, there we go.
What did I tell you? A leap of faith.
General, wait!
Let's go after him. Into the void, apparently.
General, will you just stop for a second? I want to know what happened.
Questions. You ask all these questions. Ask yourself this. How relevant is the past when it can be changed? Your father would have said not very.
That's him. And you still haven't given me a straight answer. Now why aren't you with the Lombaxes?
Because I failed them. I failed them. I made a mistake. After the Great War, Polaris was a dangerous place. Even with the Kragmites gone, I knew steps needed to be taken to protect the galaxy. One day, we were approached by an inventor with incredible ideas, technology light years beyond what we were using. The inventor was someone your father warned me not to trust. Our kind had grown suspicious of him, but I was convinced this was the right thing to do. For the galaxy, I granted him full access to our technology, all of our secrets. Only when he was finished. They took refuge in the court, but your father refused. He would never have left your mother. But when he made it back, she was already gone. I don't know how long he survived before Tachyon caught up with him, but I know I was responsible for his death. For my crimes, I was forbidden from joining the Lombaxes, and so I live in exile. I can make it right, Ratchet. All of it. We can fix it. With the clock under our control, it'll be like none of this ever happened. Stay with me, and I promise I'll get your family back.
So I don't think his father's dead, though. Is his mum dead? I actually don't know about his mum, but...
Outsiders, please, you must help. The Agorians have launched a full-scale assault on the settlement. Our kind has barricaded themselves in their homes.
We have no time for petty squabbles. Ratchet, remember the mission. The obsidian eye is all that matters.
The eye? It's in a temple. I can take you there. Please, we are not an aggressive race. Help us defeat the Agorians, and I'll show you where it is.
Huh. Oh, well.
Commander, our warriors have established a perimeter and are standing by for your orders.
Oh, armor shop. Oh, coming soon. That's alright, we recently just bought this pretty green armor. So, alrighty. Yeah. Oh, can we buy... No, we can't. Okay, we need... like 2,686? Yes.
Ratchet, take out that rider. I'll cover you.
Uh-huh. I'll take it out, all right. And yeah! Take that. Okay, so we need to take out these guys. These guys are just attacking these poor guys that... The rat? God damn, that's not nice. Oh, God. Okay, there's two... Uh-huh. Jesus. Avoid breaking mist tanks. Red mist tanks make Agorians go berserk. Oh, really? We should probably try and not break it. Nah, screw it. If it breaks, it breaks. Oh, okay. Yay! Level 4! Ah, 7 fucking damage. Holy moly. Oh, well, he's fucking dead. Okay, health. I love health. I fucking love Mr. Zircon. Whoa. Okay, this is a red spot. I don't know where the riders are. Oh, destroy it, destroy it, destroy it. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Oh, hey, Azimuth. Oh. Another upgrade. Oh. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Oh, we're actually doing damage with an alien's mating call scream. That's literally what this weapon is. Oh, come on. Kill him. Yes. Whoa. Okay, last one. Last rider. Oh, Mr. Zircon blew up. Last one. Ow. Oh, is it the last one? It might not be the last one. Oh. Throw the wrench. Oh, where are the riders? Oh, do I have to shoot that? Do I actually have to shoot that? We got 37 health. We got an upgrade. Oh, I broke a red mist tank. Oh, no. Oh, there's the rider. Whoa. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's dead. Okay, now this is the last one, I believe. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Come on. Yes! Kill the Agorian riders.
Outsiders, we've got hyper tanks moving in over the ridge.
We're gonna need some heavier firepower. Wait here. I'll cover you from the sky.
Huh. Hydra tanks. Oh, you're bored, Mr. Zircon. All right, come on, let's go. Here you go, people to kill. Yep, kill them all. Yeah, Hydra tank. And there we go, Mr. Zircon. Okay, pull out the thing. Oh, apparently not. There we go.
When you see an exposed burst of fuse, rip it out with your
Oh, Mr. Zircon, get back out here. Come on. Go into the blue mode. Come on. Pull it out. There we go.
That's two.
Yes. Get his health down. Get his health down. Ow. It do so much fucking damage. Come on, do your little thing. Here we go, and yes!
Looks like we've got one more Hydra tank. Check your nav unit.
Didn't even need it, Azimuth. You didn't even need to go and get your thing.
Your failures are beginning to annoy me. Destroy them, or you will drink from the fountain of eternal suffering. Sir, the fountain dried up last summer.
They're just casually talking. Oh, give me that. I need it.
RoboNet's new Plasma Striker is the next evolution in long-range assassination. The Plasma Striker's strength comes from our patented Bioscope. The scope pinpoints vulnerable spots on any enemy, making for a more efficient kill. Just lay your crosshairs on the red indicator and bam! If it don't kill him, it'll sure give him a reason to retreat. The Plasma Striker, available only at RoboNet.
Yes. So that's basically a sniper type weapon.
All right, Chief.
Oh, I love it.
You will die on the carcass of indefinite sorrow. Sir, the soldiers finished the carcass off last night.
Can we throw that in there? There we go. And, oh, what's this? Is this a mod? It is. What mod do we have and for what weapon? Oh, rapid fire. Yes, just give me rapid fire. Boom. How fast? I'm happy with that. I'm absolutely ecstatic with that, actually. Holy shit, Ratchet. Oh, health. Give me health. Yes. Hydra tank.
Looks like we've got one more Hydra tank.
Plasma striker.
Unit. Stand clear.
Oh. Oh, it just sounds so good. I think it's also the fastest firing weapon in the entire game. I think. Am I safe here? I am. Oh god. Man, this rapid fire mod is really gonna allow us to upgrade this gun fast. Apparently not. Apparently I'm out of fucking ammo. There we go. Come here. Pull out Versafuge out. Come on, you gotta die. Stand clear. You didn't shoot anything. Oh god, I'm losing a lot of health. Whoa, don't let it run over you, holy shit. And there we go. Come here, you. Yes. You're reloaded, are you?
Talons are inbound, Commander. Enter attack formation and destroy the rebels.
Outsider, I'm activating our defensive station. It's fully charged and ready for combat.
Oh, and now we're up here. Okay.
Talons are inbound, Commander. Destroy the Lombax.
I need positions.
Huh.
Copy that. Stand by for nasty.
Oh god. Oh, my trigger finger is... R1's getting stuck.
Got him.
Oh, come on. And... yeah. Oh, ho, ho. Come on. There we go. Oh god, we're overheating.
Hardly see
Bug as many as we can, then kill all of them. Oh! Yeah, this is very mini-game-ish. Oh. Oh, that's azimuth. Whoops. Well, didn't mean to do that. Oh, we got all 40.
Good work, Ratchet. We did it. I'm setting it down.
Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! You did it, outsiders! You stopped the invasion! It's time for me to live up to my side of the bargain. Come on back and I'll show you where the temple is.
Alrighty. Eliminate the Agorian air support. So now we've pretty much done this area. Oh, yeah. Alistair can do that, or Azimuth can do that, but no, not us.
Happy to be of service. However, there is the matter of guiding us to the Obsidian Eye.
Yes, of course. Naturally, I can't take you there myself. Far too treacherous for me. But here is something to help you through.
Oh, this
We
machine.
closed these caves off years ago. Too many dangers, too many deaths. Perhaps that Omni Soaker will ward off the Tetramites. You two all right in there? Looks like the door rusted right off its track. I'll try to get it fixed, but it might be a while. Try breathing real shallow-like.
Well, looks like the only way out is in.
Huh.
What do you think? Should we give that Omni some good? Now, see if you can use it to fatten up that hydroplane. After Bullard engineering, that Omni Soaker can suck up almost anything.
It can.
See that? Preca's Whirlroot produces a sugary nectar the Tetramites can't stay away from. Try your Omni Soaker on it.
And blah, now they'll go there instead of at me.
Well, can't blame them, really. That nectar makes an excellent tea.
Oh, come here, you. Upgrade. Now, what does this go to? Oh. Oh, that's for the... No. Oh, but I shot that stuff outside that cave, like that little
looks
opening.
Like the only way out is in. Good. Now,
Man, that was nonsense.
afterward, Preca's Whirlroot produces a sugary nectar the Tetramites can't stay away from. I tell you, they love it.
It's over there,
Can't blame them,
and I
really.
already have that one.
Nectar makes an excellent tea.
It sure does. Fatten up this plant with water. There we go. Oh, wait, hold on. I didn't get the whole thing. The Omni Soaker. Now we just wet that.
The great clock awaits.
Just gonna put that there for safety. Oh, Zoni! Okay, 10. 4K. Attack that for me. Don't attack me.
That's Voltan Ivy.
There we go.
Living organism impervious to any munition in the known universe. You'll have to find a way to scare it.
Like that? Oh.
Bravo, Ratchet, bravo! Go on ahead. I'll find another way around.
Shoot that there. And shoot that one there. Oh, oh, hello
We have a
there.
problem. The winch crank for that mining platform is right next to a tetramite nest.
We're too close to turn back now. Got any more of those flares?
Be careful down there. Bombs away!
Okay, come on. That isn't gonna take it. That isn't gonna take long for them to eat that whole thing. Come on, come on. There we go.
Ratchet. Well done. Come on. The obsidian eye is right this way.
It is. Okay, suck up water. There we go. Fatten up the plant. Yes.
You realize that we are just hours away from reversing the greatest tragedy in the history of the universe. Your mother, your father, they'll both be right here, safe and sound.
You really think the clock can save them?
Of course. That's what it was built for. Come on.
No, it's not, though. It's not meant for time travel.
Fulcrum's star's cracked. We may not be able to get a signal.
Stand by for system uplink.
Clank!
Ratchet, how did you find me?
You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal out here alone?
Who is that behind you? Is that a Lombax?
Yeah, this is General Azimuth. He's been helping me look for you. Just send me your coordinates and we'll pick you up.
Signal integrity 33%.
Ratchet, I need your help. Orvis is in trouble. You must go to Xanathar and confront Dr. Nefarious.
Xanathar? Dr. Nefarious hasn't set foot on that rock since his station was completed 2 years ago.
Then that is when you must confront him. Head to the Tomley outpost and look for a time portal. Please, save my father.
Father? Clank, what's going on?
Yeah, this would be really weird for them, hey?
You cannot hide in the broom closet forever, Sigmund. Orvis needs our help. Now, can you synthesize a time portal on Xanathar? I suppose I could use the oscilloscopic entanglement modulator to create a vacuum of negative energy, theoretically creating a traversable wormhole.
Time rift stabilized.
Ta-da!
He's just tapping away on his technology.
My nav unit's correct. Our ships are right on the other side of this wall.
Oh, so we could have just...
Good work in there, Ratchet. I'll meet you on planet Xanathar.
Uh-huh. So what, we were just here the whole time? Okay, I'm fine with it. Off the planet.
Ratchet, there's something I haven't told you about the clock. If we succeed, if we turn back time and stop Tachyon, the present as you know it will no longer exist.
You mean I won't remember Clank?
I mean, you will never have met him in the first place. The clock may offer some kind of temporal immunity for those who use it, but well, there are no guarantees.
If this is my only chance to save my family, I have to take it.
Good. Now don't be alarmed, but I just picked up Forcelon's signature not far from our location. I'll distract him while you head to the outpost, and remember, if Orvis is alive, it's imperative that you get the clock's location from him. Good luck.
Oh, that's right.
Ratchet, come in. Are you out there?
I read you, Quark. How are things with the Agorians?
Oh, he went to meet the Agorians.
Not so good. Somehow they got the idea that I'm some thrill-seeking warrior with a thirst for battle.
Well, did you tell them you were a thrill-seeking warrior with a thirst for battle?
I was trying to make friends. Listen, I'm in a lot of trouble. They've entered me in their tournament. You gotta get me out of here.
All right, I'll be there as soon as I can. Just find some place to hide and stay put until I get there.
Message received. Work out.
So now we have to battle in an arena to be able to save Quark's hind. His hide, should I say. The Agorian Battleplex. Why is our ship the only ship here? In the hangar. Oh well. Oh. So these are the Agorians that were attacking, that we just defended the planet from.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to Open Fight Night at the Battle Points. You like to fight? You like to mix it up? You look like a mixer-upper. What's your name, Spoon?
I'm Ratchet.
That's a silly name. What, you folks lose a bet? Kidding! I'm Mac. You have to excuse the hologram. Folks around here have a tendency to throw things. Take a look around. If you need anything, Mac's your guy.
We're gonna sign up for the
You got
fights.
something to prove, huh? You got moxie, kid. I like that. Head over to the gladiator entrance.
Alrighty. Huh. Let's get straight to it. Oh, wait, is there anything we can buy? The Groovatron glove. So that makes anything in its vicinity dance uncontrollably. Even robots. It's really freaking weird. It'll even make bosses dance. We don't have enough for any of that anyway. Oh, clothes. We don't even have enough for that anyway. Alrighty. Enter the tournament. Yeah, so this is locked until a little bit further in, but we're not even going to be doing that. So what we need to do now is we need to complete the bronze cup. Complete all of these.
We've got a new challenger.
Uh-huh.
Wait, is that a wombat? Oh man, you may not want to leave your seats for popcorn, folks. This one should be over within seconds.
Uh-huh.
Here's the next wave.
Mr. Zircon just took care of that by himself. Yeah. Another wave of enemies. There we go. Is Mr. Zircon dead? No, he's not dead. Oh, this gun just fires so fast. Oh shit. No! Oh shit. Ah, he hit me. Okay. Yep.
Good thing we executed all of our referees last summer.
Okay, so we can pull off that Agorian's shield away from him, which I don't know if we'll have to if we can get this thing behind him. If we can get the, oh, just come here. And bam! Mating call!
Congratulations!
Oh!
Your synthenoid is upgraded to Zircon the Destroyer. Your mechanical bodyguard now comes with an explosive fusion cannon and rapid fire capabilities.
Yeah, so once things hit level 5... Yep, we are the winner. But once things hit level 5, then that is when, yeah, that's when they get a sort of boost. Alright, the, Armageddon out of here. Let's try and do this. Holy shit. Oh, wave complete, yeah. Whoa. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh, Mr. Zircon died. God damn it. It's alright. Just pull him back out. Unstoppable. Oh, 6 damage. God damn. Oh, got no ammo. Fire. God damn. Okay, wave 5. Explosives. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whoa, that was awesome. Oh, well, he's dead. Oh, are we done? Yes. Oh, we got a Zony for that. Oh, wow. Okay, let's keep going. Oh shit, so we need to use our wrench. And throw bombs at enemies. Come on, shoot explosive at me, dude. Ow. Uh-huh. Give me that fucking shield. Oh, interception, and it's got a new skill point. Come here, you. Come here, you. Oh, killed him with his own bomb. Ha 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 ha. There we go. There's 2 more Agorians on that platform with me, but that's fine. Oh! Yeah, the other mod that we got in the canyon before we were killed by the Tetramites, that was for a shotgun. Death from above. Oh. Oh, God. God, this gun is so powerful now. I can't wait until we get a gun in the future. It's like a buzz blade kind of. Whoa, I forgot this fucking floorboard's moved. It's like a buzz blade kind of weapon. And there's another one that shoots multiple little buzz blade things. Shoot that. Ow. Third and final wave. Come on. Oh, you're hitting your own friend, dude. God damn. Oh, no scoped him. Oh, no scoped him again. And you guys are gonna die. Ow. You guys are gonna die so fucking hard. Yes. Oh, behind me. Come on. Die. Yes. Oh. Oh, we got a Rhino 5 schematic. That's okay. And the final one.
How about that, folks? Another amazing victory! Now, how about we give this Lombax a little backup? All right, please welcome, all the way from the Solana Galaxy, Mr. Copernicus Quark!
It's Captain Quark. I didn't take a 3-week hero correspondence course to be called Mister. Easy on the goods, pal.
Oh, damn.
Folks might remember Captain Quark from his brief stint as a paid superhero in the Pokon and Solana Galaxy. I don't remember it, but some folks might.
Oh, God. God, our weapons are so strong right now. Come on, next wave. Bring in the next wave. Whoa! Ho, 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 ho. Okay, I want to be using the plasma striker as well. Oh. Oh, dead. Oh. Yes. Oh, well, Quark. Okay. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Oh, wow.
This Lombax is unstoppable!
Okay, the final part of the arena.
The moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the War Grok!
of here, Ratchet. While I was in captivity, I trained with the elite Umbuku gladiators of Terraclon 6. My body is in peak physical condition. My sense as sharp as trillium razors.
Release the War Grok!
Not it!
Oh, God. Oh, that's right. We get a gun for this, don't we? A negotiator, I think they call it.
Ratchet hits the Warlock with everything he's got!
Whoa. Oh, shit, Quark is just running all over the goddamn arena.
Show this Warlock what you're made of.
Oh, God, he's shooting little fungus things. Oh. Whoa.
Sacrifice your ability to aim, but you look that much more magnificent.
Oh, God. Come on, Wargrok. Ow, it hit me. Ow, hit me again. I need ammo. Oh, come on. Uh-huh. Jesus Christ. And jump. If you don't jump when he hits the arena like that, you fly into the air. Oh, God. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ow. Yes. That was close.
Gladiators, you must kill the War Grok!
Honorable lizard thing, I understand your proud warrior ways. The Nabla tribesmen of Florana once referred to me as or he with mighty pecs who had delivered us serenity. But we cannot kill this creature.
You must kill the War Grok or die!
Quark, this thing's trying to eat me!
This Lombax is young. He does not understand that being a hero is 45% strength, 60% bravery, and 10% raw intelligence.
That's 115%!
You're welcome. Please, take me instead. All that I ask is that you name something impressive in my honor. Perhaps a school or a food court.
By the blade of Argos, you have honored us! You are a true hero!
Oh.
Who's a good War Grok? You are. Yes, you are. I'm gonna name you Snowball.
You've got to be kidding me.
Hi-ho, Snowball, away!
Uh-huh. Jesus Christ. Ah, the negotiator. Oh, that's the rocket launcher, isn't it?
The latest in GrummelNet's line of rocket-propelled incendiary devices.
Yes, it is.
This explosive weapon was designed to solve problems in 2 easy steps. Point and shoot. Just aim the weapon at whoever's giving you grief and... boom! Problem solved. The Negotiator. Available only at GrummelNet.
Uh-huh. I love the negotiator.
Swell job, kids. Swell job. I just cleaned up thanks to you. Time for old Mac to make good on his promise. I won this security card off of the Nefarious Trooper. Maybe you can find a use for it.
Attention, Battleplex patrons! We would like to congratulate our first non-Agorian champion! Ratchet has defeated the War Grok in battle and won the Bronze Cup!
Huh. So we can come back here.
Complex patrons, the Agorian Council for Equal Opportunity Dismemberment would like to remind you that they are now accepting gladiators for the Silver Cup. So if you thirst for the eternal glory that only comes with needless violence, please check in at the arena entrance.
So yeah, as I was saying, you can do the Silver and the Gold Cup, but you can't do Champion 2 until further on in the game. But we're not going to be worrying about that. We're just going to be getting through here. And we needed to get that chip that guy gave us, how he said he won off one of Nefarious' troops. We need that in order to get into the outpost on the planet that we're about to go to, I believe.
Mega hero to Ratchet, come in.
Mega hero?
Yeah, the fellows and I decided it's time I graduated from super. It's got a nice ring to it, doesn't it? So I'm chilling here at a Battleplex after party when this foxy young lady tells me she knows of a secret entrance.
I have detected shield induction satellites surrounding the planet. The only way to disable them is to remove the versicles from the front of the satellite.
Just as I suspected, Forcelon's making a sweep of the entire sector. Ratchet, head to Xanathar. I'll lead their scouts as far away as I can. Good luck.
Okay, so we need to get a Zoni. Here we go. We need to get one more Zoni to be able to get an upgrade for Nephilion. Or Aphelion, or whatever the name of the ship is. Okay, so where is this Zoni? Okay, up on this ledge here. So we can get in there from that one by climbing over there. Okay, so we need to get in here. And we can get in there by jumping over that one, by jumping over that one. From here. There we go. Okay. Ow. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yes. There we go. Oh shit, and this is going to launch us straight back to Aphelion, isn't it? So there's probably some more stuff that we can do here, but we only needed that one Zoni, and now we have an upgraded ship. There we go. The ship tether. That's what I was talking about. Rescue Zoni to upgrade your ship, yada yada yada. Yeah, okay. So now we can use the tether to rip out the power supplies in this electric field, because you can't get through this electric field even if you just try and zoom past it. It just doesn't work. So, okay. There we go. No. Oh, okay. Well, that was the wrong one. Let's go this one right here. Yes. Tumble Outpost on Xanathar. Okay, so the next upgrade is with another 3 Zoni.
My sensors are detecting an unknown anomaly, similar to the one that hit us near Pontos.
Don't worry, you're sitting this one out.
Huh.
All right, Clank. So where is this time?
Huh. Okay. Pollen plants rain down exploding stuff onto enemies. Oh, I didn't realize I had this equipped. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay, hold on. Before we go any further, I need to end the episode here, because holy shit, we did that entire planet, we did that part with Quark, and now we're at the beginning of the Tomboli Outpost on Xanathar. So we are blasting through this game, and we are going to be using that rocket launcher a lot. So that is going to do it for this episode. I really hope you guys are enjoying this, because I love it. I can't wait to just play more of this game. I love it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.